Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to preview and print documents in Microsoft Word.
Before printing any document, always preview it first to make sure it looks exactly the way you want. Go to File tab, click Print. The Print dialog opens. On the left, you can see a full preview of your document, exactly how it will look when printed. 2 pages are visible here. Scroll through the preview to check everything looks correct before printing. On the right side, you have Print Settings. Destination controls where the document goes, currently set to Save as PDF. Click the drop-down to change it to your printer if one is connected. Pages controls which pages to print. All means every page. Click the drop-down and select Custom if you only want to print specific pages. Type 1 to print only the first page. Pages per sheet controls how many pages print on one sheet. Change it to 2 to fit 2 pages side by side. Useful for saving paper. Click Print Using System dialog to open your computer's full print settings with more advanced options. Click Open PDF in Preview to see the document as a PDF before saving. When you're happy with the preview, make sure Destination is set to Save as PDF. Click Save. PDF is downloaded to your computer. You can also export your document. Go to File tab, click Export, select Download as PDF. Document downloads instantly.
If you want to learn the complete course, the full playlist link is available in the description below.
Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.